Hello YouTube, welcome to the Ambassador for Aquatic Life channel, where we discuss all things hobby and all things aquatic. In this video, we're going to check out a few of my amateur photography photos. In addition, make sure you watch till the very end as I share with you a video of one of Snoop's clients' amazing outdoor pond. This koi pond is located at Wintergreen's Nursery in White Plains, Maryland. Beautiful setting. The best natural filtration you can find. Good. Before we get started, I would like for you to direct your attention to the description area below this video, where you will find links to purchase books and other Real Hard Cichlids merch. Plus, there's the link to my other YouTube channel where I share breeding tips and other aquatic related issues and topics. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell, which would alert you to every time I download new videos. And just so you know, all proceeds go towards the upkeep of Real Hard Cichlids Aquatic Kennels and the Ambassador for Aquatic Life YouTube channel. If you'd like to order or learn more about this filtration system, just click on the link below. I must say, I use it on 90% of my aquariums, and it is an awesome product I stand by, and I do not receive any monetary funds whatsoever from the company who makes it. Now let's check out a few of my photos of nature's flawless beauty. Now, before we get into the finale of this video, I would like to share with you a little bit of information on the person who produced and shared this video with me. His name is Snoop, and this is one of his clients. Beautiful outdoor pond set up in Georgia, I may add. And he has been servicing this pond for nearly a decade. And believe it or not, in there with those large, beautiful koi, yellow labs, which are African cichlids, a tropical fish for those of you who don't know. And in the near future, I will share an update video of this awesome, amazing pond in its entirety. With that said, there's Skip,